Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to download and install Instagram on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It's super useful to go and do this, as you can then easily go and access Instagram on your computer. There'll be an app for it. So to do this, we need to go and open up the store on our computer, so you can click on search at the bottom and go and type in Microsoft Store like so. There are loads of different apps in here and you can just go and browse for Instagram, but it's faster to use the search at the top, so you can go and type in Instagram like so. Then you can go and click on it, and what you need to do is go and click uninstall like so. Now go and wait. It shouldn't take too long at all, as you can see it's already finished. And all you need to do is go and press open, and here we are. We've got the app installed. So what we can then do is we can go and allow the cookies, and we can go and sign into our account. And just like so, I've now successfully signed in and I can go and use Instagram. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.